Good morning all students. Today we are going to learn next problem number 5. Okay? See, is related to medical firm. See, is related to medical firm. See, I'll read first one problem. Dr. Abhinav Bharat started practice of medical practitioners on 1st April 2019. He gives you receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So our accounting year is 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020, and as well as the given adjustment. In that problem you are required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2020. In this problem we are prepare both one accounts, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. See, here the given receipt and payment account is our problem. Dr. Bharat receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2020. See, this one is a receipt side and this one is a payment side. Receipt side we see all balances. First one, balance to cash introduce. Here to cash introduce is balance brought down. Is balance brought down. So means what is the opening balance. The next one, visit fees. Here is a medical firm, that's why visit fee is the income of that organization. Visit fees means it's a doctor visit fees. The next one, to receipt from dispensary to sundry receipt. All those are receipt means we received amount from that particular outsider person. Okay. Then furniture, equipment means which one is required. The drugs means your medicines, salaries, rent, conveyance, stationery, electricity charges, journals means medical related papers, drawings, and balance carried down is a closing balance, cash closing balance rupees 2000. Right now I'll just explain posting, where we posted. Receipt side, first one balance is the opening balance, that's why we are not recorded anywhere. Okay. Then visit fees is that firm's income, so we recorded income and expenditure side, income side, credit side. Then receipt from dispensary is again income, that's why we recorded income expenditure side, credit side, income expenditure credit side. The next one, sundry means all type of received amount, we recorded again income and expenditure account, credit side means income side. So all those are our income. Then next one they give one, by furniture we are paying payment of furniture means we purchase furniture, so furniture is a asset for that organization, so we recorded asset side. Equipments also assets, that's why we recorded asset side 10,000. Drugs, medicines, asset, salaries, expenses, rent expenses, conveyance expenses, stationery expenses, electricity charges expenses, journal also expenses, drawing, and cash in hand asset side. See, adjustment is given here. Receipt in arrears are visit fees 2000. Arrears means what? Outstanding. Receipt in arrears are visit fee rupees 2000 and dispensary rupees 500. Here visit fee outstanding rupees 2000 and dispensary 500. Okay. Meaning for that sentence is outstanding or due amount of visit fees rupees 2000 and dispensary 500. Outstanding expenses rent given here 500 and salaries 1000. Stock of drugs was 1000. Depreciation at 8% per annum and equipments rupees 500. Depreciation on equipment 500. They given all those information, then we posted one by one, and I'll explain adjustment also. See, drugs, stock of that organization, medicines, that's why we recorded expenditure side. First effect, first posting, drugs, expenditure side, salary, expenditure, rent, expenditure, convey, expenditure, stationery, expenditure, journals means periodical or papers required, okay, or books, magazines, like that one, okay. Here then visit fees, income, receipt from dispensaries, income, sundry receipt, income, that all posting. One more posting is remaining, furniture, equipments and cash in hand. So posting complete. Then see, all posting completed. Here cash introduced, we consider here capital fund. Cash introduced, we consider here capital cash introduced, consider capital fund. See, after posting, just see whole problem, posting complete, all posting complete, then we solve adjustment one by one, okay. Receipt in arrears are visit fees rupees 2000 and dispensaries rupees 500. Here visit fees are arrears, means what? Due. How many rupees? 2000, means here income outstanding, visit fee rupees 2000 and dispenses rupees 500. So any outstanding we recorded, add under that particular visit fees, add outstanding visit fees rupees 2000, first effect, first adjustment, and as well as dispensaries rupees 500 we recorded here. See, first one effect, visit fee outstanding and dispensaries outstanding we recorded here, okay. We write both one, 2000 as well as 500 is a first effect. So what? First adjustment, first effect. Then second effect is a income outstanding, that's why second effect, balance sheet asset side, second effect, visit fee outstanding and dispensaries outstanding. Complete, okay. Everybody understood? If income is outstanding, then first effect, add under that particular receipt or income, and second effect, balance sheet asset side. Clear? Okay. Second adjustment देखते हैं. Outstanding expenses, rent rupees 500, salary rupees 1000. Here they given outstanding expenses rupees 500 and salary 1000. So we recorded add under salaries and rent. Add under salaries and rent. We add under salaries and as well as rent. The second adjustment, see second adjustment, first effect, add under salaries rupees, add under salaries rupees 1000 and rent rupees 500. Clear? Next, second effect we recorded, balance sheet liability side, second adjustment, second effect, balance sheet liability side, outstanding rent and outstanding salary outstanding rent 500 and outstanding salary rupees 1000. Understood? Second one, adjustment effect. Outstanding, when they given outstanding expenses, then first effect add under that expenses, and second effect balance sheet liability side, because is unpaid amount or due amount. Okay, we are not received amount yet, sorry, we are not pay that amount yet, that's why it's our liability. So always remember, if outstanding expenses, if there is any adjustment related to outstanding expenses, then first effect add under that expenses, and second effect balance sheet liability side. Why we recorded balance sheet liability side? Because it up to that date we are not pay that particular expenses, so is our liability, is a payable amount, so we recorded balance sheet liability side. And related to outstanding income, first effect we recorded add under that particular income, and second effect balance sheet asset side. Why we recorded balance sheet asset side? Because up to that date we are not received that amount, is a receivable amount, and whatever receivable amount is our income, assets, receivable amount is our assets, that's why second effect balance sheet asset side for first adjustment. Clear both one adjustment? The next one, stock of drugs was rupees 1000. In the last problem we learned same type of problem. Here they given drugs means here medicines. Okay, 7000. Then stock we are not recorded under expenditure column, that's why we less that stock amount from drugs. Always remember, here the given stock of drugs is our assets, that's why we less from drugs rupees 1000 stock of drugs is our third adjustment. Complete? Everybody understood third adjustment? Why we recorded like that one? Because stock of drugs is our assets, and that can be we show asset side and not on expenditure side, so we less first effect we less, and second effect we recorded balance sheet asset side stock of drugs. Third adjustment, second effect. Understood everybody? First one effect less from the drugs, and second effect balance sheet asset side. Confirm? Okay. Next. Depreciation. 8% per annum. Here we calculate depreciation 8% per annum. See, depreciation on furniture 8% per annum and equipment rupees 500. Depreciation is our expenses, so we less from that furniture amount is 8000 on 8000 8% 640. So we less from that 640, and second effect we recorded in expenditure side. Fourth one adjustment, furniture and equipments. Okay, see this one effect of furniture and equipments. Fourth one adjustment, first one effect we recorded less from furniture rupees 640. House 640 on 8000, calculate 8%, answer is what? 640. And equipments are directly given 5% amount, 500 amount, so that's why directly we recorded less 500 and right outer column amount 9500. Clear everybody? is a fourth one adjustment. And second effect, we recorded expenditure side, depreciation on furniture and depreciation on equipment. Depreciation on furniture 640 and equipments 500. Clear everybody? Okay. In that problem we learn four adjustment. Receipt in arrears means outstanding receipt. Okay, remember that one thing. Outstanding receipt means outstanding income. If any income is outstanding, then we recorded first effect, add under that income, and second effect we recorded balance sheet asset side. Why we recorded balance sheet asset side? Because up to that date we are not received, or that organization are not received that amount, or this one amount is receivable. That's why second effect, balance sheet asset side. Then second, outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses means everybody know due expenses is a payable amount, so we add under that particular expenses, and second effect, balance sheet liability side, because is a payable amount. Okay. Then stock of drugs, here the given stock amount of drugs, that's why we write first effect less from drugs, and second effect stock is our always assets, that's why second effect balance sheet asset side. Fourth, depreciation on furniture. Depreciation is our expenses, so we less that both one amount from furniture and equipments, and second effect expenditure side. Clear everybody? Okay. So now easiest problem is there. देखो एक बार फिर से बता रही हूँ, इस प्रॉब्लम में आपने क्या क्या पढ़ा है. तो इस प्रॉब्लम में ये प्रॉब्लम था रिलेटेड टू मेडिकल फर्म या मेडिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिलेटेड था. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने रिसीट साइड में जितने भी अमाउंट दिखाए थे वो उसमें से फर्स्ट वन कैश इंट्रोड्यूस किया था उन्होंने, मतलब कैश उन्होंने यहाँ पे कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है. तो दैट कैश अमाउंट इज़ अवर कैपिटल फंड. याद रहेगा सबको, यहाँ पे कैश उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, तो दैट कैश अमाउंट इज़ अवर कैपिटल फंड. ये देखा था हमने. इसके अंदर विजिट फीस, जो सब्सक्रिप्शन जैसे ही है उनके लिए विजिट फीस क्या है, बट विजिट फीस टोटली सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं कह सकते, बिकॉज अगर आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो तो एट अ टाइम यू आर पेइंग 500 फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर विजिट, नॉट फॉर होल मंथ, राइट? एम आई राइट? ओके. सो दैट्स वाई हियर विजिट फीस नॉट वी कंसिडर एज अ सब्सक्रिप्शन, because it's a one time payment. We are going to visit that particular dispensaries and we are paying that one amount for medical checkup. Okay, so receipt from dispensaries 30,000 and sundry receipt, ये सारे क्या थे हमारे लिए इनकम थे. पेमेंट साइड फर्नीचर एसेट्स एज वेल एज एक्सपेंसेस थे. एसेट्स एज वेल एज एक्सपेंसेस थे. इसमें से अलग था जर्नल्स मीन्स पेपर रिलेटेड टू मेडिकल, मतलब मैगजीन्स हो सकता है, पीरियडिकल हो सकता है, या उसके उस टाइप से कोई भी पेपर हो सकते हैं. मीन्स व्हाट योर जर्नल्स. देखो बाद में टैली करते हैं तो टैली करने के लिए बोथ वन साइड चेक करनी होगी हमें. बोथ वन साइड चेक करने के बाद यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि 12,000 30,500 प्लस 5,000 मीन्स 47,500. सो क्रेडिट साइड टोटल इज व्हाट 47,500 एंड डेबिट साइड टोटल इज, ये लेस करने के बाद वी गॉट सरप्लस अमाउंट means excess of income over expenditure. We got surplus amount 12,640. Okay, that can be transferred to capital fund. Understood everybody? Okay, the next one, capital fund. अभी ये कैपिटल फंड अमाउंट कहाँ से आई मैंने बताया है ऑलरेडी। कैपिटल फंड मीन्स यहाँ पे उन्होंने रिसीट एंड पेमेंट में फर्स्ट वन बैलेंस दिया था, कैश इंट्रोड्यूस मीन्स ही इन्वेस्टेड एट वन अमाउंट, सो दैट वन इज अ 25,000 कैपिटल फंड। उसमें ऐड होगा सरप्लस 12,450। ड्राइंग स्पेंडिंग था, ड्राइंग सर्विस या फाइनल अकाउंट में भी हम लेस करते थे फ्रॉम कैपिटल, यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा, लेस ही होगा। ओके, एंड एडिशनल ड्राइंग्स 1,600। ओके, कंप्लीट। देन नेक्स्ट वन दे गिवन हियर all those adjustment complete, cash in hand is a closing balance complete। ओके, ये था जो हमने इस प्रॉब्लम में पढ़ा है। अंडरस्टूड एवरीबडी? सबको याद रहना चाहिए यहाँ पे हमने एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या पढ़ा है और हमें क्या क्या देखना है। याद रहेगा सबको? कंफर्म? जैसे मेडिकल फॉर्म है, मेडिकल फॉर्म रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन हमने यहाँ पे फिलअप की है। और बाद में जाके हमारा बैलेंस क्या हो रहा है, टैली हो रहा है।